Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Boo Dating app. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So using the Boo Dating app here is kinda easy here and quite simple. So in this case, we are currently in the Boo app itself. So in this case, we are in the match page here, which in this case is also the main page or home page for the Boo app. Now, in this case, there are two pages or two sections that you can access here. You have the new souls, and we also have the For You section. So in the match section here, you have the option to either click on the X button, which in this case, it actually marks someone's profile here as not interested, or you're not interested in that person. But you could also mark them as a heart here, which means in this case actually marks them as someone you're quite interested in. Now you could also scroll down a bit here and view a bunch of details about their account here, like their post, profile, their followers here. So in this case, you go and view that and decide whether you're interested or not. Now in this case, this is for new souls. Now we also have the For You section here, which actually gives you the option to view different profiles that are actually tailored for you, or Boo actually thinks that might be something that you might be interested, or you might be interested in looking at. So profiles that actually matches with your profile. So in this case, you go ahead and swipe to the left here and view all their profiles if you want to. And if you really like them, you can go and click on the heart button that you see at the bottom right of their screen or in their profile, and basically add them, or in this case I'll like them, and you should, or in this case if they actually likes you back, you should be able to start messaging them at the very bottom right of your screen. Now in this case, going back to new souls, you also have the option to change a few settings. So if you click on the gear, in this case the settings icon at the top right here, you'll have the option to change a few things like your dating preferences, age range, and verify profile. So in this case, you have the option to filter your matches. Now in this case, you also have the option to change your other settings. So if you click on the 3-bar icon at the top left here, you have your profile, edit profile, my coins, power up. So if you want to activate your Boo Infinity, you could go ahead and do that here as well. Now in this case, you also have the option to search for different posts, or in this case different people. So in this case, maybe you want to search for dogs here, you go and click on the dogs tag here and view different posts regarding dogs here. So in this case, you go and view them if you want to. So let's go ahead and go back. Now you could also create your own post here, so you could choose whatever interest you want to add. That, for example, you want to add something within gadgets, you could go and choose that. And once you've chosen your tag or category, you'll have the option to add your title, description, and even add a few things like images and GIF if you've added all the details here. In this case, we also have the option to go to universes, which in this case allows you to view different posts or random posts here. So you have the For You, which in this case Boo actually thinks that you might like or might be interested. So in this case, you also have Explore. You have the following, friends, and even video here if you want to view them. Now you also have messages here, which in this case contains different messages that you have. So if you have like message requests here, this is where you'll be able to actually view them. It is actually categorized into receive and send, so you can go and view them. See if someone actually sent you a friend request or the friend request that you've sent before. Also have messages here, which contains from the name itself your messages. Also have the views that you receive on your account and the account that you've actually viewed. But in this case, those are the basics and using Boo here, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.